These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is simply what I'm personally doing, and it's provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I'll try to take a couple of trades. Let's go. This is my first trade. I took 2,500 on this one, and this is a doji break, okay? And I'm expecting a retracement in this market because it's also third touch breakout, okay? So we combined these three spinning candles with third touch breakout. Spinning candle is some kind of doji trade, but doji trade is, and in general, is better to take doji breaks. But if you have multiple spinning candles, you can trust them and combine it with something like, in this case, we have third touch breakout. I've been waiting for this setup for about 5 minutes now, and yeah, order block respected pretty well, and then the breakout happened, and now it's trying to retrace something and then keep going. Our mine tree is pretty late. Please, man, do not close above. Jesus Christ, man, it closed above. I can't believe. Anyway, yeah, that was crazy, man. We're supposed to win this trade, right? Let me just go back to 1,000. Yeah, that's crazy. That was my first trade. I've been looking at the chart. The market's movement was pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. And right now, I've missed some beautiful trades, honestly. But I'm looking for some good trades, even though I'm pretty exhausted today. But if we're taking our session, we should take our time to take the best possible trades. All right. My first trade was a good trade, but it turned to be a stupid losing trade. Alright, this looks like, yes, it looks like a QM to me. And it has engulf, it has lower time frame entry right here, man. I'm gonna change my amount to 1,500. Now, if you look, if market keeps up a little bit and it comes right on this intersection from this lower time frame entry and this market structure line, it would be awesome. I'm just gonna wait for it. I will draw the line just like that. I'll make it red. Please, man, give me the entry. It's on the QM zone right now. It can go up, but I would love it to come to my entry zone. Yeah, let's just set an alarm here. Boom, and I'll be back on this one. Alright, if it gives me a buy right here, I can definitely take it. If it closes down here, let's go. Beautiful. You know why I was pretty sure about this particular trade? Because of the market's direction. Market is uptrend in this direction, in this major movements, okay? Right now, if I draw the price channel, you can see it's moving this way. And if you look at this area, you would see that we already moved a huge spike. And now this is consolidation and we need another huge spike. So the market's direction is uptrend, if that makes sense for you. And we already see that our first trade on this candle was supposed to be a winning trade, but it was a losing trade. When I was taking that one, I told you we were looking for retracement to keep up the bullish movement, okay? So the decision point is somewhere here. We have the main decision point right here, but now, if you look at the previous rejections, you see a lot of buyers are present here, but you don't see any rejection from upside. So this is a sign for correction or retracement, and then it created the doji. It gave us the buy setup right here while we have the market's direction in the buyer's favor. Now I'm going to keep moving. This is a QM. It looks... Wait, we don't have engulf, unfortunately, but we do have some beautiful... We do have an order block. This one is an order block, but it's not that strong. The market's direction on this one also is bullish, but I don't have any buying set up here to take a trade. Okay. This one is the QM that I marked, and we have an alarm on this one. Let's see if it's going to give us the entry. We have the market on a common point of rejection. See, should I take this? I'm going to take this one. Let's go. This is a huge margin of safety as a common point of rejection. Like, this is the common point. Wait, this is the actual common point of rejection, right? Oh shoot, I haven't changed back to 1000. No way, I forgot. Okay, the alarm. Which one was it? No. Where's the fucking QM? Oh, it touched. Oh my god, man. I still missed after setting an alarm. Oh my god, man. I can't. I don't get this. We set an alarm, right? We still missed it. Fucking garbage, man. Holy shit. This would be nice if I was taking this one as well. It would be a nice trading session. Taking only beautiful trades. Damn, bro. Yeah. And the trade we took with based on common point of rejection is this one right here. Right now, we have two dojis. The doji is not being broken on this one. The market's direction is not bullish right now. You see the movement, but it's not bullish. It depends on the next movement of the market, then we can decide. So yo, this is a beautiful doji right here. This would be takeable, especially... Oh shit, it's also breaking a supply. So it's also an ABC breakout. Look, this is an ABC, right? It's also an ABC breakout and the gap up. See, this was beautiful. And we missed. I missed so many trades, man. I missed so many trades. All right. Let's go. You can already tell why did I take this. Tell me in the comments. What is this pattern? Evening star. Where the price is coming from? An order block. This is a correction. The next potential movement would be this one. To go deep inside the order block. So I'm assuming the market's direction on this one could be bullish. But you know, some kind of, if the doji was broken from upside, would be very nice to take it. Or maybe having a gap down would make this better right now. I guess we're gonna lose. No. Yeah, that was a winning trade. No, don't reject. Alright, fine. Yeah, so let me mark everything. And then, what is this? This is an order block. Beautiful. Where's the doji? Doji right here. The doji break happened right here. You know, this doji, if it was breaking from up here, it would be very nice. Now, what else do we have here? We have a common point of beautiful rejection. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Oh shit, we have a very nice entry right inside this thing. Like I said, the next market movement is going for deep entry inside this order block. Let me see the 15-second and 10-second. Yeah, you definitely want to go inside that fucking entry in, wait, this entry. Yeah, so there's a huge gap down. All right, just imagine, if this candle was coming up, breaking this doji, right? Imagine this was a green candle breaking this doji, and then the next candle would come up inside this, and then boom, I would stack my fucking trades inside this. It would create this kind of candle. It would be nice. It would be beautiful. But now, unfortunately, it left the orders up here. It will eventually come up. It's trying to make the last effort for the sellers and then create the next leg. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, it was a pretty good session, honestly. I'm gonna stop right here, man. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your crazy support. I'll try to increase the uploads. If I'm trying to make myself some free time and have a couple months of constant uploads and constant trading sessions. Yeah, thank you for watching, man. Peace out.